Losing weight can be challenging, especially for beginners. But fear not, because in this video, we will guide you through the process of losing weight fast with the help of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Supplement. Get ready to achieve your weight loss goals with our step-by-step guide. Before we dive into the weight loss journey, let's first understand what Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Supplement is all about. This amazing supplement is made from natural ingredients that are known to boost metabolism and suppress appetite. It is designed to support healthy weight loss and promote overall well-being. One of the keys to successful weight loss is setting realistic goals. In this scene, we will guide you on how to set achievable targets for your weight loss journey. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. To lose weight effectively, you need to have a healthy eating plan. We will provide you with valuable tips on how to create a well-balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients. With Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Supplement, you can supercharge your weight loss efforts. Exercise is a crucial component of any weight loss journey. Learn how to incorporate different forms of physical activity into your daily routine. Whether it's cardio, strength training, or yoga, we've got you covered. Tracking your progress is essential to stay motivated and monitor your weight loss journey. Discover the different tools and methods you can use to track your progress effectively. We will share some valuable lifestyle tips that will help you achieve sustainable weight loss. These tips will not only support your weight loss journey but also improve your overall well-being. Congratulations on completing our beginner's guide to losing weight fast with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Supplement. You are now equipped with the knowledge and tools to start your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key, and with dedication and the support of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Supplement, you can achieve your desired weight loss goals.